Hi, this is Melanie from Hook to the Left, and today we're going to take a look at these two crochet planners. So let's go ahead and get started. Hi everybody, thanks so much for joining me here today. If you are a big fan of all things crochet and yarn, then please go ahead and go down below, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell so that you're reminded each time I come out with a brand new video. Alright, so today we're going to take a look at these two planners. I'm going to be honest with you, it's the same exact planner, you just got a small one and you got a big one. So they're the same thing, but we're going to take a look at them and we'll probably look at the bigger one in more detail because, you know, it just shows up a little bit better on camera. But I'll flip through this real quick so that we can see what's on this. So the little planner is a spiral bound planner. And this is a nice size. It can fit in most tote bags or purses. So this is a good compact size for a planner. The larger planner is a standard size for, I don't know if you guys are familiar with Happy Planner or there's some other ones like it. There's a Happy Planner, Erin Condren, and stuff like that. So the Happy Planner has these kind of discs like this, and it makes it very easy to pop this stuff off and back on, so you can add and take away things on this. So that's really nice as you get in here if you want to save some patterns. You just got to make sure you print them at the appropriate size. This is called a disc system. Yeah, the Happy Planner uses the disc system a lot. So if you've ever used a Happy Planner, you'd be very familiar with this. I have a Stella who's right there, and I'm thinking she's about to enter the frame. Yep, there she is. There's my Stella. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at this one a little bit here, and then we'll go into this one more in depth. But I'm going to flip through this really quick. So this one has this rubber band, which I find very nice. I like this rubber band. And then, so you just pop that open. Okay, it has this little zipper bag here, so you can put some extra things like stitch markers, right? Or a pen. I don't know that I would like a pen in here because there isn't as much room for stacking. I'm sorry, that was Stella meowing, trying to figure out how to get down. But definitely just maybe little papers or notes or something like that, or even receipts you can stick in here. Okay, and then we just get started into this. This is oh, it's funny because there's no dates on this. However, you can tell how dated this is. And I just bought this in 2021, but there's no 2021 here. It's all 2019, 2018, and 2017. So I would probably tear out this particular page because, yeah, that's useless right now. Alright, so here's the reference. So it talks about the tools, reference, and telling you a little bit about tools and the different sizes, which is just really neat to have as a reference piece, right? Especially right in your purse. The meaning of some of these abbreviations, the American size and the millimeter, and then the metric equivalents here. Yeah, so this is actually really great. I really like this. And I bet you it's going to be in the bigger one too. But let's go ahead and keep on looking here. And then it has here where you can put your project list and just jot down some notes, and then do a little bit more detailed projects if you want. So there's a few pages for that here in this little planner. So that's kind of nice. And then you can also probably reference that in your months. Which here are the months right here, which we'll get to that in just a minute. But next up is your inventory. So your tools, you can list out your tools here, and swatches and the type of yarn. So you'd put a little piece of yarn, and then you'd put everything about that yarn. And I guess stashed here, you can put the date that you stashed it or where you placed it in your stash. My stash changes all the time, so I like where I put things, so I'd probably just put a date there. And then I will tell you, one thing I wish they had is like maybe a check mark box or something that says use, so once you use it, you know that it's gone. So they have a few pages for stash, for your stash, right here. So there you go. That's probably for people with a little bit smaller stash and they can keep a better control and write it down. I don't know that I would have enough room in those pages for my stash. We all know Yarn Geek, Ginger at the Yarn Geek would not. Okay, so now this is where you get into the months. And this is just like any other planner. This is a non-dated planner, so you can go ahead and fill it in. And then you have extra notes here or to-dos, whatever you want to do. And then certain goals that you want and important dates down here. So this is just like a regular planner. And then again here, just like a regular planner, you can put your dates in. And it has the week. So it's a week on one page. 1 week on one page. Okay, and then towards the back, I think... No, this one doesn't have stickers. No, this one does not have the stickers. So that's the smaller planner, and I think it's really cute. It's great to keep things organized, and if you want to have a separate little planner for your, if you're a designer or a YouTuber, or even just, you know, you're making crochet stuff and you want to plan it out a little bit better and not go do things all willy-nilly, this is a great option, and it fits very nicely in any project bag that you can have. It's small. It's about the size of a small skein of yarn, so you can easily fit that in a yarn bag. But let's go ahead and take a look at the bigger one, so you have a really good idea and see this in a little bit more detail. Okay, so here is the bigger crochet planner. These are both made by Boye. So that I think that's why you get some of these details in here that is just really appealing. All right, as you look, this one does have stickers, so you can use it in your planner. Anybody who's done planning as a hobby, it's kind of like a scrapbooking hobby. I used to do it a lot. I would sit down every weekend and I would plan out my week, and I would decorate it and stuff like that. I have not done that in many years now, only because just my to-do list varies, and I'm trying to get back into it, but for now I'm not doing it. So this is your stickers. Eat, Sleep, Crochet. Isn't that awesome? I love that. And it's just a bunch of different types of stickers here that you can use in your planner. These are so cute. The thumbs up, like, hey, I like this pattern. This is good. Let me pin that pattern. I need to get this done. Gold star for that one. Love it. All right, and then these are little washi stickers, you know, so you can do a border. And here's some, I guess you could put pictures or even swatches in here. So this is has 4 pockets. Another 4 pockets. And another 4 pockets. And then you have your storage Ziploc bag here. So you have got a lot in the front of this planner. Also, remember, this is a disc planning system. So if any of these things here get in your way, you can just easily pop it out and not ruin it. And then if you decide, hey, you know what, I want that back in there, you can pop that back in. So that's really, really convenient. Again, it has this crochet planner belongs to. And it has the, well, this one actually has 2020 there, but it has these useless calendars because we have already gone past that date. So you can probably pop that out if you want. I love these pictures. They're all crochet. And I love that they are crochet and not knitting. This is all crochet hooks, which I love. So first you're going to have your reference here. And it's going to be just like the smaller one, just in bigger writing. A little bit easier to see, but this is just like the smaller one. I really, really, really like this reference section. Oh, and then this, and maybe they had that on the other one, but I didn't notice, but this is the symbols. So if you see a diagram, this is what the symbols mean. All right, and then again, you have your projects section. So you've got your list of projects and then some design elements here, some graph paper if you want to design something. Again, crochet projects here and another little bit of design here. So you have a few pages for that, which is nice. Let's see here, how many pages? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you are designing and working on a project once every 2 months, this would work out perfectly for you. I know for me this might not be quite enough, but hey, if you've got a major project going on, it's nice to have it in your planner and you can put it in there. And then again, we get the inventory. So instead of having just several pages for inventory, for the tool inventory, it's here on the cardboard section. So you have your aluminum and plastic hooks, so your little bit bigger hooks. And here's your steel hooks, which are your smaller lace weight hooks. Again, your swatches, so your yarn stash information here. Again, not enough pages for me. Sorry. But somebody who has a much more tidy yarn stash than I do, this might be perfect for them. And then we get into the months. Again, it's just like the smaller one. You have your little section for notes. You have a section here for my goals for the month, important dates, and then of course the date, and you can number this. So this is, you can create, it doesn't matter what year it is, you can go ahead and number this month. And then we go into the days. Now in this case, instead of a page a day, you get a week on one page. You get a week on 2 pages, and you have a little bit of extra room here for notes. So you've got a little bit more here, and I like that they use the subtle coloring to kind of separate out the section here. So this could be morning, afternoon, evening, morning, afternoon, evening, or you can use the different sections whatever way works best for you. But that's how each month works out. So here's February, and these look at those are so cute. So what does March look like? I love the little hearts. I think it was the same on the small one. Oh, that's cute. And all these look the same. And then of course at the end of the month you have your notes page, which is great for just kind of recapping the month if you need to, especially project wise. It's kind of nice. Oh, a nice granny square purse for was that April? Yep. Oh, look at that. So these are little cactuses with pins in them that you crochet. That's so cute. I love that. All right, and then that goes May, June, a turtle for June. My sister-in-law would love that so much. I need to find a turtle amigurumi to make for her. Little starfish coasters. How cute is that for July? And I love that they did the starfish coasters. So this is good. This book is really well prepared for even people who are international. Because a lot of people will do like the red, white, and blue and stuff in July. And that's very, very American. So I like that they did not go that route. Oh, look at the kitty cat in a bikini for August. Oh, that's hilarious. And then we've got September. Ooh, nice little shawl there or scarf. And I love those colors. The kitty cat that's on the front, the stuffed, I think it's called a pusheen. Kitty cat that's on the front for October. Then November, now we've got the fall colors and the pumpkins. And finally, December is some ornaments on a garland. So cute. So that's all the months. And then December, I think, yep, and then it just ends with that last note page for December for that month. So that is the whole packet, the whole organizer or planner. This is more of a planner, I think. And I think this is very, very useful for designers and for YouTubers. I think this would be very, very useful to kind of, you know, really get your ideas together, make them look pretty, and get you excited about planning out your crochet life, right? And yarn life. I like this. I do feel like there's not nearly enough room for the yarn stash, but that's okay. Or even for my hook stash. There's not enough room for that either. But that's okay. Not everybody is quite as crazy as I am with my yarn stash or with my hook stash. But I do love this, and what I would like to do is I'm going to go ahead and keep the small one for myself because I do like that compact size. However, I would like to give this one away. So, in order to win this, I want you to go down below and comment, how would you use this? Now, unfortunately, I do need to keep, only because overseas packaging is getting pretty expensive. So, I'm going to go ahead and keep this for United States only. I am giving this away to somebody here in the U.S. so that they can use this and start planning out their crochet year. I'm very excited about that. Just go down below. Tell me how you would use this. Would you use this for YouTube? Just give me some details. I'd love to hear it. I think I would get some great ideas possibly on how to use mine. So let me know how you think you would use this. While you're down there, if you haven't yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell so that you're reminded each time I come out with a brand new video. And if you liked this video, please go ahead and hit the like button so other like-minded viewers can get to see this content. You guys, thank you so much for being here with me today. I appreciate each and every one of you. You guys have an amazing day. Bye-bye.